post-workout, we're gonna have some of this protein, Premier Protein. You can get them at Walmart, Winco, or wherever you want to. I believe it's 4 for $10. But it's an easy 30 grams of protein, and it has 160 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram of dietary fiber. So we're gonna shake that up. We're gonna go to Pound Town. Easy as that. Woo. What's up, y'all? We back in the flesh. My fault, I've been off my grind for a little bit, but just a little update. Man, it's kind of dark. I'll fix that. I'll try to. But yeah, we won 77.7 this morning. Just to keep you updated. I think I was around 181 or 180, maybe 183. I don't even know. I'll check back on that. But yeah, we just gonna get a shoulder workout today, this morning. Energy been all right, starting my two-a-days, so you know that could be pretty tough on you, but we still fired up. Yo, man, I be out in my car doing some karaoke, and it be 4:30 a.m. but we still out here. Imagine like we got some energy. Nah, I got some good energy. We good. I'm on that black coffee now, you feel me? I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. No, I'm kind of dying though. I know the kids that used to wear the DCs with the big old tongues and drink the Monster Energies. Y'all was on this song, packing your bags and stuff. I remember that. I ain't forget.
Deal. No, I keep losing at deals, and I don't want to make a deal anymore. I am leaving, and you can't stop me. I'm packing my bags.
Picking at the bones of everything that will ever be. Pieces of a life forevermore. Find the light for me. Pictures of a world I've never seen. Pieces of a life forevermore. Find the light for me.
good. Leaning out. Man, what a beautiful day out today. Whew, just finished a little workout, big workout, and you know, we out here about to get ready for work, but love starting my day off with the gym. I think I do that almost every day, other than some rest days that I take. But energy on 10, we're gonna kill the day today. I'll see you on the first meal. We up and at 'em on my commute to work. That's what I do daily. Walk down this road usually if it's not raining, or you know, spin it for you. It's a deep walk. Whew. I could use this as cardio. No, I can't because my body's already used to doing this. So, whew. A little chilly out. I think it's gonna rain later. Oh well. Let's reflect on life. I don't know what to reflect about. Yeah. Walking. Let's talk about time. Some of you say you don't got time to go to the gym. Well, let's see. You got 24 hours. You sleep 8 of those hours. You got 16 hours left. Go to work for 8 hours. 8 hours left. Your commute, getting ready, 8 minus 2, 6 hours left. What do you do with those 6 hours? Chill and watch Netflix? Get to the gym, do something you love to do. Feel me? Don't be too comfortable. Unless you're happy with life, then, you know, keep doing what you're doing. Stay happy. If you ain't happy, you're doing something wrong. Figure it out. All right, y'all, we got some breakfast, usual breakfast. Got some veggie patties, 3 of them, potatoes, some peanut butter, jelly, 2 pieces of bread. Yeah, you know, eating this feels real good. Calories will be up on the screen somewhere over here, and fills me up about a couple hours, and then I'll show you my usual snack. Ooh, check out that view though. Seattle is beautiful today. All right, y'all, we back. Snack time. I've been eating this organic jerky, sweet chipotle. Got it right here. Super good, super like juicy. It's not dry like regular jerky. Super good flavor. What is it? The calories are 70 calories per pack, so 140 calories total. We got 12 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, so 2 grams of fat total, 24 grams of protein total, and 12 grams of carbs total. So pretty good macros there, and helps me get my protein a little higher. I usually do about a couple protein shakes per day. I did one this morning. Every time I leave before work, I do a protein shake. During workouts, you guys should know I do like a carbohydrate drink, so like a Gatorade or like a Body Armor or something like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Diet right now is pretty easy to stick to. My carbs are pretty high, around, I'd say like around 250 grams of carbs. Calories currently are at 2,200. My body weight is at 177 pounds, so doing pretty good there. Lost a few pounds. Let's see, it is April. The goal for the end of the month is to get down to single-digit body fat. I think I'm floating around 10% right now, but we're doing good. Just got to stick to the process. Another thing that's going on is I'm reading this. Got this new book, Unshakable by Tony Robbins. Let's see. Tony is a force of nature. Yes, he is. It says Unshakable, your financial freedom playbook, creating a peace of mind in a world of volatility. Tony Robbins is a super motivational guy. I watch his stuff on YouTube all the time.
I think it's time to get some lunch. Lunch, it's time for lunch. Lunch, it's time to munch, crunch, eat a bunch. It's time for lunch, not brunch. I'm starving. Lunch, lunch, it's time for lunch. Lunch, it's time to munch, crunch, eat a bunch. It's time for lunch, not brunch.
Alright, what's up, y'all? We back. It's 12 on the money. So I usually eat lunch around noon. Show you what we got here. Alright, so got a little side salad. Usually get that every day. Little spring mix, about I'd say 2 ounces of chicken. I'll throw that into MyFitnessPal with a little bit of dressing. 2 chicken legs. So I get what I work with. I mean, I know it's a little higher in fat, but you know, we'll put that into MyFitnessPal, and yeah, we do the if it fits your macros here. So we'll just subtract some fat from later in the day. Maybe I can't have my what's fatter, handful of almonds or something like that. Can't have that. But yeah, and we got a cup of rice about. So I do my best to eye things. Just make sure I'm just tracking it and go from there. But yeah, that's lunch. We about to dig in. Peace. Snack time. What time is it? It is 2:30. Himalayan pink popcorn, organic popcorn. It's the good stuff. Check it out. 100 calories per bag. Check out those macros. Not too crazy. What we got here? You know what these are. Another pack. I'll show you the macros. Yeah. Some good old jerky and popcorn. That's the good stuff. Pretty blessed here. Got some good old snacks that I can get. And yeah, help me stay on track and all that good stuff. I feel like popcorn is like tricks your mind somehow. Like it's like chips, but popcorn is better than chips, or better than most chips. The macros are solid on it, and I believe it's low glycemic index as well, so it doesn't spike your insulin or nothing like that. But yeah, I'll see you when I guess dinner comes up. Last meal, some protein, honey, bunches of oats. Why'd I do that? What's going down? This is like dessert for me. About to smack this and probably won't eat. What is it? 3 o'clock? Probably won't eat until the next day. At the gym, where I just drink like a Gatorade or a Body Armor. But yeah, that wrapped this up. I'll see you at the gym for the 2-day.
Can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached. That is my flag. Got the boots black and mad. Hey, riding on a horse. Hey, you can whip your horse. I've been in the valley.
Yo, this song is fire. Man, country trap. I might need to tap in with my countryside for a second, you feel me? Because man, this about to take off. If I hear more country dudes doing country trap songs, Might have to get into that genre. I mean, I listen to a little country here and there, but I ain't no Jimmy Butler. Do your research. That's all he listens to, country. But yeah, y'all know where we about to head to. Just fresh off of work. You feel me? Back to the gym. 2 days. Just through Monday through Friday. You know, I try to go twice a day, burn some extra calories. Love the environment. Love the little energy it gives me. And it's a good little wind down to bed, you know. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the gym, maybe.